Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to access Clipboard on Android. Firstly, if you don't already have Gboard, download it from Google Play Store. Now, tap and hold the text or an image or URL and select copy from the pop-up menu. Now open any app where you can type like Messages, Notes, Chrome, etc. Tap the Next field to bring up Gboard. Tap the Clipboard icon in the top toolbar, and if you don't see it, tap the three dots to find it. You'll see your recently copied content. Just tap an item to paste it. If prompted to turn on Clipboard, do so to enable saving future items. Just a tip, Gboard auto-detects Clipboard items after about 1 hour. To keep an item permanently, long press it, then tap Pin. If you use Microsoft Swift key, the Clipboard works similarly and also supports pinning. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe and comment if you have any issue. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.